Walking you through the Django models are created from a pizza ordering system, and I'll explain how they are structured. So in models of PY, I've defined several models that represent the different parts of a pizza order. Let's go through them quickly. The pizza order, the pizza size model, this is the first model. The model has a single field name which stores the available sizes for the pizza, so as small, medium, or large. And the STR, as you can see here, ensures that whenever we reference a pizza size, then ensures that the pizza size displays the size name in a human readable format. And we also have the same for the pizza crust. Tells you the size crust, the thin, thick, also the pizza size. It tells you the different types of pizza like tomato sauce, barbecue, and so on. And that's also same with the rest, the toppings. And as we reach to here, the pizza order model, the main model, the most important in our system, the pizza order model. This model brings everything together to create a pizza. So here we use a foreign keys to link the pizza order to the specific size, crust, sauce, and cheese. And what else? And what else from that? We also use many-to-many field for toppings because having a multiple, or let's say a single pizza can have multiple toppings, and multiple pizzas can share the same topping. And also under that we have the customer details. We need to store the customer details information for delivery. This includes their name, address, air code, payment details, and so on. As this is very simple, but it was in a real world sensitive fields like the card number and CVV should be encrypted. And we also have the user linked to ensure that everyone sees only their order history and they can't see anyone else's. And then we also have the timestamp. This tells them when they ordered it. So here I'll explain how the URLs, routes are structured and how they connect different parts of the application and how they direct users to the correct page. Let's first look at the URLs in my project URLs. The file is responsible for defining the main URL patterns for our project and linking them to the appropriate apps, as you can see the code here. The admin slash, this links to the Django admin panel, which is used to the database. And the second part uses include orders.urls, which means any request to the homepage or order page will be handled by the orders slash URLs. And also let's go to the orders URLs file. Now this defines all the routes relating to our pizza ordering system, as you can see here. So the home page is linked to the views.home. This serves the main loading page. And you have the order list page. You have to create pizza, which is linked to which everything is connected with the views. Every URL in orders/urls.py is linked to a corresponding view in views.py. This means when a user visits a specific URL, the Django runs the associated functions in views.py. So now I'll be talking about forms and how they are connected to the views.py file, and how users interact with forms and how the views process users data and render different pages. So first, look at the forms.py file. This is responsible for defining the forms that users interact with on our website. As you can see the code here. So let me explain it really quick. This form is built on the Django's model form, which automatically connects to our pizza order model. And the toppings field uses multiple choice field because users can select multiple toppings, and toppings are displayed as checkboxes, which we use checkbox select. For first, let me tell you how forms and views work together. You have the user registration. The customer user creation form informs the PY collect users' details, as you can see here, and the registry fee processes the form and creates a new user. And also for the pizza ordering, the pizza order form allows users to select pizza option. The create_pizza view saves these choices and delivery details and so on. By structuring our forms and views in this way, we create a smooth user experience where users can register, log in, customize their pizza, and track the order easily. And also in the views, you have the user creation form. We have the clean password that has to work. We have the home view page. So request the user authentication, and it brings them to create the pizza as a return to it. We also have the registration here as well. Again, we have the login view. Make sure they log in, and you have the logout section. You have the order list, but they have to make sure that they're logged in to show only that specific users pass orders. You have to create pizza, and you have the so on the delivery details to save the size, crust, and whatnot. That's the views in a nutshell. After that, we have the templates. We have the create_pizza.html. Here, template is responsible allowing users to customize their pizza before placing an order. So let's go through the structure. Scroll up here. You have at the very top the extend base.html. This ensures the base inheritance, the layout from base.html, which has the bar and whatnot. You have also create pizza, that's for the logo at the top with it. You have the pizza size selection here is where they select the size of the pizza they want, the crust selection, the sauce selection, the cheese selection, the topping selection, and so on. The delivery details. Also the extend base again here at the top. And for the delivery page, ask for the delivery details. So your name, your delivery address, this collects the address and it returns the ID and the name, and enter your address. That's what the customer sees. The air code, the card number, expiry date, and the CVV has to be only 3 numbers, and then the expiry date has to be 2025 or greater, and from the 1 to 0 to 01 to 12, and so on. And then this also to control it, make sure it's right and in the format as requested. And you have the index.html. This is the welcome page. So welcome to Energy's Pizza. Your one stop. This also implements and make it look better as well. And you have also the order confirmation here as well. This after you confirm your order, after you pick your order, it shows your order details, your pizza details, and your address, and it's being prepared. And you have the order underscore list here. This is the buttons for the website to work. And you have the base.html. This is the main one. This ensures the template that's similar to everywhere, the nav bar and whatnot. And that's it. Thank you very much for your time. And ask you to log in, and also some of the images of the pizza and some Q&A questions that we might have asked. So first, you gotta log in, or if you don't have a login, you register here. So let's call it pizza, the user. And the password, let's call it password123. Password123. And as you can see, that I have registered and I have gone through. And as you can see, registration. So now, pizza selection size, let's go with medium. Pizza crust. You have many options. Tick pizza sauce, barbecue, cheese, we'll go with mozzarella. And toppings. You choose as many toppings as you want. So and all of the ones work. So we could go for that. Yeah, and ham. And you click order now, it brings you to the delivery details. So you enter your name, any random, and your address, Dublin, DCU, your air code T20EXSC, and your card number, which has to be 16 digits, as that's what every credit card is. It's 16 digits exactly. And the year has to be 0125, as has to be greater than 25, has to be 3 numbers for 25 or greater. Click submit, and now you have the order confirmation. It says thank you, Ace, for your order. And this click here to view your orders. This is my past orders, that's only one, and also gives me the option to create a new order. So I click here, create new order. So now I'll create another one, which then will be added to the order list. And in the menu here, create pizza, go view my orders, or if I want to log out, as you see, I logged out, and that's the website. If I want to log back in, go into a different account and see if it works. Awesome. Log in, and as you can see, it works. And I can log in again, another multiple pizza, and let's see the orders. These are the past orders that I've created on this account. Many pizza orders and creating order